In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Microsoft Teams status always available or green. If you want Teams to show that you're available for as long as possible, the key is to manually set your status and then adjust the duration so it doesn't reset too quickly. This is useful when you're actively working and want your availability to be clearly visible to teammates. Start by opening Microsoft Teams. Once Teams is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click your profile picture. This opens the Account and Presence menu where you can control how your status appears. From here, click on your current status. If it's showing something like away busy or another present state, you'll want to change it. Select Available from the list. This immediately updates your status so Teams shows you as active and reachable. Next, click your profile picture again to reopen the same menu. This time, choose duration. This setting is important because it lets you tell Teams how long to keep a specific status before it automatically changes again. In the duration settings, find the status option and make sure Available is selected there as well. This confirms that the status you want to maintain is the available green status. Then look for the reset status after setting. Here, choose the longest available duration. Picking the maximum time helps keep your status from reverting too soon, which is especially helpful if you don't want to keep resetting it throughout the day. Once that's set, click Done to save your changes. At this point, Teams will keep your status set to available for the duration you selected. A helpful thing to keep in mind is that this setting doesn't permanently override all Teams activity behavior forever, but it does give you the longest built-in window for staying visible as available. If your status changes later, you can simply repeat the same process and set the duration again. So to recap in a simple flow, open Teams, click your profile picture, change your current status to available, go back into your profile menu, open duration, set status to available, choose the longest reset time, and click Done. That's all you need to do. If you follow these settings carefully, you'll give yourself the best chance of keeping your Microsoft Teams status available and green for as long as Teams allows.